Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be showing you guys how you can cop the Air Jordan 5 Stealth Retro. As y'all know, this is another pair of Air Jordan 5s dropping right here. I mean, this year hasn't been like the year of the 5s. I haven't really been like someone that's actually been a really big fan of Jordan 5s. There hasn't been really many hyped versions of these dropping, but we do have this one today that is going to, you know, make you all some money if you do get it, or if you're just trying to get them because you like how they look. I understand that too, because these aren't actually half bad. I kind of like the colorway they chose and, you know, everything with it. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Again, you want more how to cop content like this. And by the way, I did make a new how to cop video, like a new how to cop off sneakers video, so I will be talking about that in this video. But if you just want more how to cop content in general, just kind of like videos like this, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. I'd really appreciate that. Again, goal in this video, I just want to make 200 likes, something simple that I usually go for. And yeah, I'd appreciate it if you could hit that, but if we don't, it's not really the end of the world to me. And if you also want to, my Discord's in the description if you want to go join that. It's just a little good community. We talk about shoes and stuff, but enough intro. I know this has been long, so let's just get into it. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm here with the screen recording right now, and I do just have my Instagrams on the screen right here, so if you want to go give me a follow in the description, then feel free. Also, my reselling account, which again, I will post on that eventually, just once I have to sell some sneaker investments, you guys will see me post there. But also, I might have a little bit of background noise going on. I don't think there should be too much. My roommate is just blasting some music in the morning. You know, he's in the shower, blasting music. At least the music's good, but I don't think you guys will be able to hear it in the background, so I'm not really too concerned about that. So let's just get into discussing the Air Jordan 5 Stealth right here. So first details I can easily point out about the shoe. You guys can see them too on the screen. Retail is $190. Messing up again right there, and then you can see it's dropping March 27th at 10 a.m. Eastern time, so pretty normal stuff. Again, every shoe drops at 10 a.m. You guys should know that by now pretty much with sneakers. Everyone's at 10 a.m. unless it's a random like release out of nowhere, which if I ever find info on a release out of nowhere, I will let you guys know. But just keep that $190 retail in mind. After, you know, shipping and taxes and everything, you'll probably be paying around like $205, $204 I think for the shoe. I might be wrong, it might be a little more, might be towards like $208, but I don't really know on taxes and the percentages, you know. All I know is you'll pay probably a little over $200 for this one if you get it off Snkrs. So kind of looking into this one again, you just kind of got that white and kind of, I guess that's a royal blue. I guess that would be a good description, kind of like a royal blue that kind of is on the inside. And there's also apparently a part of the shoe, an upper reflective silver tongue. So apparently, I don't see it here, so I'm kind of wondering. But yeah, right here on this portion, I don't know, like where's the silver tongue here? I don't know if this is just like an angle or something, but am I tripping? I think I'm tripping, but yeah, you can see the silver tongue right here. It's reflective, and that's another part of the Stealth shoe. Kind of matches again, kind of by the sole, kind of where the air bubble is. Again, the sole's the bottom part, but it's not. It's kind of by. It's just on the side, kind of above it. You can see it's got that gray matching with kind of the center, and also, you know, with the tongue. So I think that's pretty cool, but it's not really that deep, you know. It's just kind of, I guess, a white, royal blue, and kind of a silver colorway, and it looks good. And the sole's also pretty well done. You know, you just got the little, you know, the blue Jumpman, and then you just kind of get icy sole. You know, it's got the icy look kind of right here by the heel and all that. If they'd made the full sole icy, this one would have been actually pretty dope for a pair of 5s. But you know, this is a part that you cannot ignore because this is a part that's always kind of included on Jordan 5s. So I guess I kind of see why they didn't do it. But again, they said the first one dropped in 2006, basically the version that the shoe is based off. And a couple more things I want to point out about the shoe aside from the looks and details, you know, of the shoe. This is also dropping in grade school sizes, which I'll get into in a second. I will discuss kind of resale on grade school sizes also. So it's dropping in grade school sizes and also in little kids and toddler sizes, which I don't think these ones are necessarily going to resell, nor do I think the shoe is really a hold. I haven't really looked into it too much again, but you know, there's been some shoes that have, you know, surprised me over the last, I'd say, you know, few months that have gone up unexpectedly. So maybe keep your eye on this one, since, you know, it does have a retro version that goes for more. But just kind of looking at it now, I don't think it's too much of a hold. I just think this is kind of one you get since there's a lot of pair dropping and you just sell it for what you can. So let's just kind of get into what the adult sizes are going for right now. So the adult sizes, as you guys can see, we have a good amount of sales, all of them, over 500 sales. And kind of right now, you can see the chart's been kind of going down over the last few days. But I mean, it's pretty much like what, today is the 24th. It's 3 days before the drop. I mean, the prices aren't going to really drop that much more. And if they do, then it's going to be like $5. So it's nothing really serious whatsoever in my opinion. So kind of looking at that again, the resale on these ones you can see right now is kind of around I would say 260, 270. Some of the smaller sizes are going, you know, kind of more towards 280 a little bit, but I mean, everything's pretty much in the same price range. You can see nothing, you got some at 279, but that's not really like 280. So So my opinion is once these drop, I'm thinking on the 27th, I'm thinking they'll probably be going right before drop time for around, you know, probably 260, 265. And I think once all the pairs drop, I think these ones will be going for around, my personal estimation is 235 to 250. And I will put a plus on the 250 because I think they could maybe not go down as much as I am expecting, but they're dropping at a lot of places. So I'm just saying 235, 250. That's my estimation on them for the adult sizes. You know, again, that's kind of what I'd say. Go for the adult sizes because you will make the most money if you get those. And this is definitely a drop you don't want to miss because, you know, again, it's also dropping up FOOTSITES, so there's other ways to secure this release I will discuss. And also kind of getting into grade school sizes. I know I wanted to discuss these. Again, the retail on the grade school sizes is 140. After shipping and taxes, you'll probably pay around 153, 152, I think. So nothing really too crazy, but you can kind of see they're going for around 170, 180. Some of those much smaller sizes, like anything under, you know, 4Y is kind of, you know, just 3.5Y and 4Y seem to be kind of going for a little bit more, but there hasn't been many sales, I don't think, for grade school ones. I mean, 85 sales, that's pretty good, but I mean, it's slight profit, like a light 20 bucks, 30 bucks, depending on which one you get. So they will resell, and those are kind of my estimations. I'm not giving an estimation for this one, just kind of like $20, $30 profit, I think. But it might not be as much profit as we think, again, because I think the prices will drop since there's a lot of pairs releasing. So grade school might be close to a brick, or it might be a little bit of money, but adult sizes, definitely money. So aside from, you know, just copying, you know, right there and just kind of resell, let's discuss actually how you guys can cop this off the Snkrs app. So I do want to say I'm going to link this video down below. I did make a new Snkrs how to cop video, so if you guys want to go check that out in the description, feel free. Again, I dropped a lot of really good info in this video, a lot of new info. You guys seem to be enjoying it, telling me you want more content like this, and it just really explains how you can cop off the Snkrs app, make more profiles on your computer or phone, and really what you can do, you know, just to cop more often and make more accounts. I mean, that's what the title says, get more W's, so I kind of show you how you can do that. And this notepad is really everything I discuss in the video. So I mean, I usually say, you know, in like videos like this, I say screenshot this notepad if you want to, but the really only part of this notepad I'd screenshot, again, because this is all super confusing, and I kind of break it down in the videos so it's less confusing. But you know, right here, this is the only part I maybe screenshot. Right here is just kind of explaining how to alter the address correctly. Don't forget, that's a very important step with making multiple accounts. You got to alter the address. If you want to learn, you know, again, just kind of some more Snkrs how to cop advice, and go check this video. It'll be linked right there, and you guys can go check it to kind of learn what you need to cop more often, you know, in 2021 off Snkrs. So aside from that, I also want to give a huge shout out to my guys at Secret Sauce right here. I'm always shouting these guys out, and these are kind of my go-to guys again. And they are a $60 monthly fee, but they are worth it. And really, what they do is they're a cook group pretty much, and you can see me stuttering right there. But what they do in their cook group is they provide these things called slots. And whenever we have drops that are coming on FOOTSITES, these guys are running tickets for like Supreme and really any of those big drops like Dunks. If they come on FOOTSITES, again, you remember they got me the Dunk Low Coast, and they've gotten plenty of other people's stuff. I've seen people in my comments talking about like they've helped me, you know, find more raffle links and kind of find more locations where I can get my shoes, and it's really helped me up my resale game. So I mean, if you stay committed to the chat, you look at all the ways you can make money in there, it's really easy, and they give you a lot of guides right there. But that slot system and how that would work, again, so you guys can actually get releases and cop them, is they basically have guys in their chat running releases for people and copying releases for people. So how it would work is once you're into the chat, they have this section called tickets, and in the section called tickets, it takes you to the site pretty much once you click on it, and then it has these slots, and they're pretty much are paid ones and free ones. So in the free ones, again, you could just enter right there, and it's just a Google form. You put your payment and shipping info, and it's 100% safe. Again, I do this pretty much every week, and these guys cop releases for me. They just take that info that you put in the Google form and then put it into the bots and cop for you. And then if it's a free slot, then you don't have to pay anything to them after if they copped it for you. And then if it's a paid slot, so it's like 20 PAS, 50 PAS, which means pay after success, then all you got to do is just like Cash App them 20 or like Venmo them 50 or whatever it is, you know, after the drop, if they did cop something for you and it was a paid slot. So that's really how Secret Sauce works, again, and that's really all I got to say. So if you want to go check out Secret Sauce, and check them out in the top of the description, and just go to their Twitter and say, yo, Tristan sent me, how can I get in? And excuse me, but that's if you want to get in right there. That's how you can do it. Also, another thing I want to mention is I'm going to be linking this article and this article down below, both of these, the House of Heat and Raffles Snkrs, you know, article. This one, again, this one just kind of shows all the raffle locations, so non-drop things, just kind of the raffles that you can enter around your area or over the globe for this pair of Air Jordan 5 Stealths. So if you're trying to get multiple pairs or raffles, entering in them is definitely a great way to do that. So I'll link this. You guys can go check raffles out wherever you are in the world. You can see they pretty much have them going on globally, so go check that out. And also another thing I do want to mention, I do not know, actually before I get into that, again, don't forget the House of Heat article is going to be in the description, also kind of showing all the foot sites and places where this one is dropping. You can see there's a lot of foot sites having this one. East Bay, Champs, Finish Line, Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, all these places are having these ones drop for retail also on their foot site at 10 a.m. Eastern time on March 27th. So keep that in mind. That's why I'm using Secret Sauce, is because they're gonna have slots going, for the Jordan 5 stealths on these sites. So that's just something that I definitely am interested in. But there's also many other drops they have coming this week, which I'll discuss. Like if you got a pair of EC foam runners, they have some slots going for those, and I'm definitely already entered in those. So hopefully they will cop me a pair of those foam runners, because those are big money, and I definitely will be making a video on those, so stay tuned. But yeah, really just showing Foot Locker again. I wanted to discuss this. I was like, go in your foot apps, see if they have any reservations going on for these pairs of Jordan 5 stealths. I think those might have already happened on the 22nd, but I could be wrong. Reservations might still be going on for the Jordan 5 stealths. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I gotta say. You can check Foot Locker, JD Sports, all those places. Again, they might be dropping them on foot sites already, so you just know that these ones are going to be on those apps and many other locations. So I'm gonna end the screen recording right there, and that's so you guys can cop the Jordan 5 stealth. All the places, locations, how to cop video, don't forget, you can check that in the description, the Snkrs one. And yeah, that's everything I gotta say, so let's roll the outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Again, if you all do want more content just like this video right here, then feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like. I really do appreciate it. Again, the goal on this video, just 200 likes, something simple. Always really go for that. I still got my computer open here, but yeah, I'm actually probably going to get to editing this video straight away. I got a pretty open day, so not too much is really going on. And yeah, just I got this video to get out. I got some work to do, for school and stuff, so we're going to be efficient today, and maybe see what the day really just takes us. I'm probably just trying to chill today. But I'll see how everything really turns out. So don't forget, if you also want to, check my Instagrams, Discord, all those are in the description if you want to go check them out if you haven't already. I mean, I mentioned them in like every video, so you can check them. And yeah, that's everything I gotta say. So I'm Tristan, and thank you all for watching, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, leave any questions you have down below. I'll be there answering them. Peace.